Good morning, ma'am and sir. I'm Perla A. Bonoan. I'm 42 years old. I live at Lamot, Ifugao, Philippines. I have 4 daughters, ages 17 years old, 13 years old, and 10 years old. They are twins. My highest educational attainment, I'm a college graduate. I have experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid for 3 years. I serve 3 members of the family, 1 couple, and 1 daughter, age 3 years old. My duties and my responsibilities are clean the house, ironing clothes, cooking, marketing, and take care of their daughter. I have also experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 5 months. I served 5 members of the family, 1 couple, 1 daughter, and 2 grandsons, age 17 years old and 13 years old. My duties and responsibilities: clean the house, ironing clothes, cooking, marketing, car wash, and hand wash, and prepare the breakfast of children when going to school. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid. I promise that I will do my job very well and follow your instruction. Hope to see you soon. Bye.